Hey, good morning, all of you, and welcome to my channel, Virtual Classroom for All. This is Dhirendra here, the founder and director of the Sri Ram World School, Maner. So, dear friends, are you ready for the next classes? You know that in previous several classes, I am trying to develop your way of communication in English language. So, I have arranged this class also to develop your communication skills in English language. So dear friends, are you ready for this? I have totally arranged for this classes to you can know about from different video. I am telling about the different alphabet, the how beautifully I have arranged the communication. In a several video I have talked about the alphabet letter A, different words we have seen. From B we have seen different words, from C we have seen different words. Now it's time to see that how the communication is going to be affected by the letter alphabet D only, and what are the different words actually which are the most useful while we having a communication. So first word is what? Demandable speech. First is what? Demandable speech. So before starting the communication, always remember friends, what is the demand of your speech? For what purpose you are having a communication? To whom you are doing the conversation? What is your topic? So demand. What is the demand of the market? What is the demand from the clients? What is the demand from the public? What is the demand from your friends and family member? For what purpose you having a communication? So demand is most essential part for having a communication or conversation in an English language or any language of the world. So always remember that what are the most demandable topic and demand, what are the basic demand for your communication. Means it is talking about the needs and requirement. Now the second D is determined. One time demand has been over means now you have to determine. So here it is need a focus about your topic. Now you should determine that how much you are going to speak. You should determine that what purpose this communication you have arranged. So determination is all about to win the game. If you one time determine yourself that today what I am going to speak with the public and with friends, with your family members, and whatever your communication is going to exist, if one time determine that I will win, means you will win only. So determine yourself that you will defeat the problems which are coming to you. Okay, now the third one, develop the detailed description. Develop the detailed description. This is the third topic. The letter is starting with the D only. Develop detailed description about the topic. Yes, dear friends, what about the topic and what about the communication and conversation is going to happen with the public? Now you have to develop in a detail and describe the topic and content by which you are going to talking about. Suppose today I am going to talk about the communication skill, that how we are going to develop our communication skill by the letters, every alphabet letters there is a chance to develop your communication skills. So if I have not prepared very well and if I am not communicating very well, or you listen me, you will not listen me. So you should need to arrange the detailed description about your topic. Now the fourth one, dedication and discipline required throughout your discussion. Yes, dear friends, dedication, discipline required throughout your discussion. Whenever you have a communication or conversation or discussion, then it is required that you should be disciplined. You should be dedication towards your topic. That what purpose you have arranged, what you are discussing. Dedication is required too much. Here you have to dedicate yourself 100% about your word collection, about your sentence collection, about your everything, about the meanings of speech. Everything you need to very clear at the time of speaking, at the time of having a conversation, at the time of having a communication. So dedication, and be disciplined while you having a communication. The fifth one is don't demotivate the others and yourself also. Means what? Whenever you have a communication, the every people is not a same. So don't demotivate the peoples. Be with the peoples, among the peoples, be with your clients, be with your friends to whom you are talking, be with their only, so that they can realize that okay, he is also from my side. Then only the communication is going to be happen. Then only the result oriented communication is going to be happen. Okay. So now the sixth one, do not dominate yourself. Yes, dear friends, try to listen. Try to listen what the other people are telling about in between of the communication. Try to listen the others. Don't talk yourself only. Give the time to others people also, so that they can, you are going to know that what the communication you are executing, is it understandable for them or not. For that you have to ask the acknowledgement by listening the other side. Understand? And the seventh one is dare to defeat the demandable speech before deadline. Very much wonderful this seventh topic is. Dare to defeat the demandable speech before deadline. Have you capability? So you have to ask yourself before I start the communication, have you dared too much that you can defeat the discussion before deadline, before time? Then only you can get an opportunity to speak like a stage, TEDx and Joe's talk, because they have mentioned with the time bond. So you should also prepare like that. So dare to defeat the demandable speech before deadline. Understand? And the last one is doubt clearance. Yes, dear friends, this one is the last. One time you have spoken too much, and one time you have cleared everything. One time you have discussed everything about the topic. Now you have to ask the doubt. If suppose anyone have a doubt, they can ask to you. So you are really aware about the peoples to whom you are talking. Let the people ask the doubt, and you have to clear every doubt by your communication skills. So these are the very wonderful different D words which are actually a very wordful meaning in a communications. So dear friends, if you are really like this video, don't forget to subscribe it and don't forget to share it, because you know that anything it is good is going to happen, it should be always pushed by the public. So dear everyone, try to push myself, my channel, so that I can give you the numbers of ideas to develop your communication skills, to develop your personality, to develop your soft skill training, to develop your coding skills and everything in a communications. So dear friends, like, subscribe and share it with your family member, friends and everywhere where you want to share with video. And if anyone have a doubt, please give me a comment and ask me doubt. I will clear everything. Thanks everyone to watching my video.